Hello, welcome to Sodexis. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Studio tool to add images inline on sales orders. So first we need to do is go to the sales app. You can pick any random sales order. Ideally something that you know has images. That way you can make sure that the customization that you put in actually worked. As you can see here, this table product does have an image. So I'm going to use my customization tool here, which I should backtrack a little bit and mention this side of it. It might not inherently be installed on your version of Odoo. So you could find it here in the applications module, and if it wasn't installed, there'd be an activate button here that you would click and turn it on. Going back to a sales order, we'll hit the tool. It'll bring us into the Studio tool. Don't be fooled by that image field. What you'll need to do is first is you'll click into this overarching table and click Edit List View. What we're actually doing is a related field because we're pulling the object from a different application, which is actually products. Now that we have the field set, we're going to type in product, and we're going to hit this arrow into a collapse menu. Here again is where you could still use the search bar. We're going to type image, and then this is the correct one. You'll select this and confirm. Now inherently it's going to come up as a download because of the widget type is set as file. We're going to select this drop down, change it to image, and voila, the images from the products that you set on the product templates are now visible on your sales orders. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.